I'm Brittany with WTI, and if you are driving a lot and have passengers, you're going to want their stay to be as comfortable as possible.
And I am a fan of anything that can help me stay organized, and this High Road car organizer cup holder was definitely a win.
I love our car, but it really doesn't have a lot of options as far as storage. The cup holders that come down, you can't fit most water bottles in, or they fit too loosely and fall over when the car turns. It's collapsible, so you just have to open it up. You flip the cup holder flap down and it Velcros. It's got this nice little pillow so that you can push it down into the seat, so it's going to stay wherever you're going to want to place it. The front compartment opens up really nice and has a lot of potential to put anything that you need. A big thing for me is putting tissue boxes. It's got pockets on the side for your snacks. And it's also got a little slip pocket where you can put a folder, books, then you have your water bottle, your coffee. You can sit back there in comfort and get anything that you need at any time. You're not making a mess of the back seat. Nothing's rolling around and you're trying to search for it. And when you're ready to get out, you can easily put your trash in that pocket, grab your folder, grab a drink of water, and head out. I'm so happy to be able to offer this to our passengers.
And that's my point of view.